Hold on tight. Microsoft just unleashed Xbox mode on Windows 11 desktops and laptops, bringing a full-screen, controller-optimized gaming experience to PCs for the first time. Imagine Steam, Epic, Battle.net, and Xbox Game Pass all in one place, accessible with just a gamepad. This isn't just an update. It's a complete interface overhaul, born from the Asus ROG Ally and now expanding to every Windows 11 machine. And get this, Microsoft is already building this into their next-gen Xbox, Project Helix, set to ship development kits in 2027. Is this the future of PC gaming? We'll dive deep into how Xbox mode stacks up against Steam Big Picture and SteamOS.
Stop using your finger for notes, sketches, and edits. This Jam Jake stylus pen gives your iPad a smoother, more precise writing feel with palm rejection so your hand can rest naturally on the screen. It charges fast, works for hours, and comes with replacement tips. Perfect for school, work, or creative projects. Check the link in the comments to grab it on Amazon.
But that's not all. Microsoft Agent 365 is officially out of preview, and it's bringing order to the Wild West of AI agents. We're talking advanced monitoring, controls for local AI like OpenClaw, and even the ability to block unmanaged agents. Microsoft Defender and Intune are now your allies in the AI security battle, and they're expanding controls to GitHub Copilot and Claude Code. Plus, they're launching Windows 365 for agents, a cloud PC purpose-built for running AI at scale. Is this the key to managing the explosion of AI in the enterprise? The Pentagon is doubling down on AI, and Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, and NVIDIA are right there with them. These tech giants have signed agreements granting the Defense Department access to their AI technologies for classified military networks. Joining xAI, OpenAI, and Google, they're fueling the military's push to become an AI-first fighting force. But this isn't without controversy. Anthropic is facing pressure, and public opinion is shifting, with ChatGPT uninstalls skyrocketing after their Pentagon deal. What does this mean for the future of AI and national security? And finally, Microsoft's Q3 FY 2026 earnings are in, and Azure is on fire, growing 40%. The AI business is now a $37 billion annual run rate, up 123% year-over-year, proving AI is no longer a pilot project. It's driving real revenue. Microsoft Cloud revenue hit $54.5 billion, and commercial remaining performance obligations soared 99%. With Copilot seats jumping to 20 million, Microsoft is solidifying its position as an AI powerhouse. Don't miss our full breakdown of these numbers and what they mean for the future of Microsoft. Now, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and stay ahead of the curve. Microsoft is significantly expanding its gaming ecosystem with the rollout of Xbox mode to Windows 11 desktops and laptops. Previously exclusive to handheld devices like the Asus ROG Xbox Ally, this controller-optimized, full-screen gaming interface now brings a console-style experience to a wider range of PCs. The feature, which debuted in select markets last month, consolidates games from major storefronts including Steam, Epic Games Store, Battle.net, and Xbox Game Pass into a single, unified dashboard. Users can seamlessly browse, launch, and switch between games using a gamepad, bypassing the need for a mouse and keyboard, and easily return to the standard Windows desktop. Running as an optional layer on top of Windows 11, Xbox mode suppresses distractions and presents a streamlined user interface mirroring the Xbox console dashboard. This move puts Microsoft in direct competition with Valve's Steam Big Picture mode and SteamOS, offering native access to all Windows-compatible games without the need for compatibility layers. The rollout of Xbox mode also serves as a crucial building block for Project Helix, Microsoft's next-generation Xbox console, which will run both console and PC games on a custom AMD SoC and is slated for development kit shipments in 2027. Microsoft is deploying Xbox mode through Windows Update in a phased rollout, and users can expedite access by enabling "Get the latest updates as soon as they are available" in their Windows settings. While specific market details and a full global timeline remain undisclosed, Microsoft plans to continuously refine the feature based on user feedback. Microsoft is significantly expanding its AI management capabilities with the official launch of Agent 365, previously in preview. Announced at Ignite, this platform provides advanced monitoring for AI agents, including those from third-party sources. A key addition is support for local AI agents, initially focusing on those built with OpenClaw. Organizations can now leverage Microsoft Defender and Intune to discover and control these local agents, blocking unauthorized installations and applying policies to prevent risky actions involving sensitive data. Microsoft is also rolling out Agent 365 Registry Sync in public preview, enabling discovery and import of agents from platforms like AWS Bedrock and Google Gemini Enterprise, fostering broader management across diverse cloud environments. Partnerships with Adobe, SAP, Zendesk, and Manus further enhance Agent 365's compatibility. To support enterprise-scale AI agent deployments, Microsoft is introducing Windows 365 for Agents, a specialized cloud PC designed for agentic workloads, managed through Intune. Agent 365 is now available within Microsoft 365 E7, or as a standalone offering at $15 per user per month, while Windows 365 for Agents requires an Agent 365 license, Intune license, and Azure subscription. Microsoft is actively expanding controls to include agents like GitHub Copilot CLI and Claude Code in the near future. For more details, visit Microsoft's Adoption Hub. Tech giants are increasingly partnering with the U.S. military as the Pentagon accelerates its adoption of artificial intelligence. Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, and NVIDIA have joined xAI, OpenAI, and Google in signing agreements granting the Defense Department access to their AI technologies for use on classified networks. The Pentagon stated these deals are crucial to establishing the United States military as an AI-first fighting force. However, one major AI provider, Anthropic, remains locked in a legal battle with the government. In February, Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth demanded Anthropic remove safeguards preventing mass surveillance and autonomous weapons deployment, prompting President Trump to order federal agencies to cease using Anthropic products within 6 months. This rapid integration of AI technology and the willingness of tech companies to collaborate raises concerns among some citizens, as evidenced by a significant spike in ChatGPT uninstalls. A 413% increase year-over-year following OpenAI's deal with the Pentagon, according to Sensor Tower data. Microsoft's Q3 FY 2026 earnings are in, and they're painting a picture of a company rapidly transforming into a cloud and AI powerhouse. Total revenue hit $82.9 billion, a robust 18% year-over-year increase, significantly exceeding expectations. Driving this growth is Azure, which saw a remarkable 40% revenue surge, reversing a previous deceleration, and fueled by new data center capacity and surging demand for AI-powered workloads through Azure OpenAI Service and Copilot. Microsoft's AI business alone is now operating at an annual revenue run rate of $37 billion, a staggering 123% year-over-year growth. The Intelligent Cloud segment, housing Azure and other key services, now leads Microsoft's 3 reportable segments, generating $34.7 billion in revenue, up 30% year-over-year. Microsoft Cloud revenue, encompassing Azure, Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, LinkedIn, and other services, reached $54.5 billion, a 29% increase. Looking ahead, Microsoft's commercial remaining performance obligations, or RPO, stand at a massive $627 billion, up 99% year-over-year, demonstrating strong future revenue visibility. While the headline RPO growth is influenced by OpenAI commitments, excluding those, RPO grew 26% year-over-year. The Productivity and Business Processes segment grew 17%, boosted by Microsoft 365 commercial expansion and Copilot monetization, with paid Copilot seats jumping to 20 million, a 33% sequential increase. Conversely, the more personal computing segment, including Windows OEM and Xbox, experienced a 1% decline. Finally, Microsoft reported GAAP diluted EPS of $4.27, a 23% increase, showcasing meaningful operating leverage as earnings grew faster than revenue. CFO Amy Hood anticipates continued Azure growth acceleration into Q4, citing improved capacity and data center availability. These results solidify Microsoft's position as a leader in both cloud computing and the rapidly evolving AI landscape.